Which animal's heart is as big as a car? Answer: whalefish. Its length is 115 feet and weight ranges from 150 to 170 tons. Which creature in the world has 5 eyes? Answer: bee. Which is the most intelligent animal after human? Answer: dolphin. Which creature is that which takes the test of everything, not with the tongue, but with its feet? Answer: butterfly. Which animal is such that once it sleeps, it doesn't wake up again? Answer: ant. The milk of which animal is pink in color? Answer: hippopotamus. The animal having longest lifespan? Answer: tortoise. Which bird can fly backwards? Answer: hummingbird. Which animal has largest brain in the world? Answer: sperm whale. How far can an owl rotate its head? Answer: 270 degrees. What animal has the worst memory? Answer: elephant. Name the only animal that dislikes white color. Answer: tiger. How many subspecies of tiger found in the world? Answer: none. Subscribe my channel Tahir Education in order to know such more educational videos and update your knowledge.